How's it going, guys? Dr. Henry here, your Camas area chiropractor, and today we're going to work on getting out of a chair without low back pain. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to scoot all the way forward in front of our chair. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to spread our feet nice and wide apart. And the reason that we're spreading our feet really wide apart is so when we go to shift our weight forward to come out of the chair, instead of flexing through the low back, your feet are nice and wide. You clear up a little bit more room in your hips and pelvis so you can actually keep your low back nice and neutral, and you can hinge through that hip area a little bit more efficiently. So I got my feet nice and wide, and I am hinged forward through the hips, low back nice and neutral. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to think about building some tension in my hips by kind of pushing my knees out. So if someone were to come up to me and try to push my knee in, that is going nowhere. So that guy's nice and tight, nice and stiff there, building that tension in my hip, and that's going to help support my low back when I come out of the seated position. All right, so here's what it looks like from the beginning. So we are pushed all the way forward into our chair. Our feet are nice and wide. We're going to roll forward by hinging through that hip, keep our knees nice and stable, and then we're just going to go ahead and squeeze our glutes on the way back up and come out of that seated position and go on with your pain-free day. Give this guy a shot and let me know if you have any questions.